Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an essential aspect of our well-being: hydration. Water is the elixir of life, and its importance cannot be overstated. So let's dive in and explore why hydration is so crucial for our overall health and well-being. Benefits of hydration. Hydration plays a vital role in maintaining our body's functions and promoting a healthy lifestyle. Let's explore some of the incredible benefits of staying properly hydrated. Point 1. Optimal body function. Water is essential for the proper functioning of our bodies. It helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients and oxygen to our cells. By staying hydrated, we support these vital processes, allowing our bodies to function optimally. Point 2. Improved physical performance. Hydration is key to achieving peak physical performance. When we exercise or engage in any physical activity, our bodies lose water through sweat. By replenishing our fluid levels, we enhance our endurance, maintain energy levels, and prevent dehydration, which can lead to reduced performance. Point 3. Enhanced cognitive function. Did you know that hydration can also boost your brain power? Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function, leading to decreased focus, memory, and mood. By drinking enough water, you can help keep your mind sharp and enhance your overall cognitive performance. Point 4. Radiant skin. One of the most visible benefits of hydration is the positive impact it has on our skin. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps keep our skin hydrated, giving it a natural glow and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Hydration also supports the elimination of toxins, promoting clearer and healthier skin. Point 5. Digestive health. Water is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps break down food, aids in the absorption of nutrients, and prevents constipation. By staying hydrated, we support our digestive processes and ensure proper nutrient absorption for overall well-being. Tips for staying hydrated. Host. Now that we understand the importance of hydration, let's discuss some practical tips to help you stay hydrated throughout the day. Tip 1. Carry a water bottle. Always keep a reusable water bottle with you. This serves as a constant reminder to drink water and makes it convenient to stay hydrated, whether you're at work, school, or on the go. Tip 2. Set reminders. In our busy lives, it's easy to forget to drink enough water. Set reminders on your phone or use hydration tracking apps to remind yourself to take regular sips throughout the day. Tip 3. Infused water. If you find plain water boring, infuse it with slices of fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries. This adds a refreshing flavor and encourages you to drink more water. Tip 4. Eat hydrating foods. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content and can contribute to your overall hydration. Incorporate foods like watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, and lettuce into your diet to boost your water intake. Tip 5. Monitor urine color. A simple way to assess your hydration level is to check the color of your urine. Aim for a pale yellow color, indicating that you are adequately hydrated. Darker urine may be a sign of dehydration and a prompt to drink more water. Conclusion. Hydration is a fundamental pillar of our well-being, and neglecting it can have significant consequences for our health. By staying properly hydrated, we support. Thanks for watching.